Welcome to American Dream Trading's stock learning and teaching channel. Get ready to transform your trading journey with the expert guidance of Coach Chad Christian and our vibrant community. Meet Coach Chad Christian, the mastermind behind American Dream Trading. With decades of experience and a passion for teaching, Coach Chad has helped countless traders achieve financial freedom. Here on our channel, you'll find a wealth of knowledge. From live trading sessions and expert strategies to beginner tips and market analysis, Coach Chad covers it all. Our videos are designed to cater to traders of all levels. Whether you're just starting or looking to refine your skills, you'll find valuable insights and actionable advice right here. But it's not just about the strategies, it's about the community. At American Dream Trading, we believe in people helping people. Join a supportive environment where everyone thrives together. Our community is filled with success stories. From novice traders to seasoned investors, everyone finds their path to success with American Dream Trading. Ready to join the success story? Subscribe now and be part of the American Dream Trading family. Hit that notification bell to never miss an update and start your journey to financial freedom with Coach Chad Christian. Click the links below to subscribe, join our community, and follow us on social media. Let's make those trading dreams come true together.